welcome back to Cozy Home. I am going to be doing some spring cleaning and decluttering, and pretty much just a clean with me. I hope you guys enjoy this video, but before we start, I want to say thank you guys for being very patient with me for taking pretty much 2 months off. I hope that you guys are not mad at me for just ghosting everybody, but I definitely needed to take 2 months off. I just was so overwhelmed in starting to get depressed over the YouTube channel because I had gained a whole bunch of subscribers and then I had lost a whole bunch right away, and it was just very discouraging to me. I didn't understand why YouTube was taking away my subscribers, but I just want to say I am not going to focus on that. I'm just going to be focusing on my home, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this type of cleaning with me. I'm going to be doing some pretty much deep cleaning. I think I need to do some deep cleaning because, to be honest, this 2 months that I took off, I have been very lazy in the house. It's just been more like surface cleaning, I guess is what you will call it, just like doing the bare minimum of what I needed to do because I was focusing on my weight training and cardios and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I think we're going to work in our back room where we have our couch and a computer desk and all that stuff. I think I'm going to do a deep cleaning in there, and then maybe the next day do one in the kitchen and so on, and just start working on my spring cleaning a little earlier, and also maybe try to show you guys a little bit of our gardening because me and the kids are going to be working on our outside gardening soon, and I'm excited to show you guys about that. So are you guys ready? I hope you guys enjoy this. If you guys do, give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, also turn on your notification bell so then you guys will be notified when I have posted a new video. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Jacqueline and I'm so glad that you decided to check out my channel. I hope you like cleaning motivations, organizations, and decluttering, and a little bit of, I guess, daily blogs. I don't know if you want to call it daily blogs, but if you do, don't forget to hit that notification and leave me a comment below letting me know that you're new here so then I could say hi to you and that we could get to know each other. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Come on, guys. Okay, as I am going to be cleaning this room in here, I have 3 baskets that I have, well, kind of baskets. I just grabbed what I had. So I want to explain to you with these 3 baskets what I'm going to be doing with it. This one right here, I'm going to put things that I don't know if I want to keep or if we're going to donate or do something with them. So I'm going to be using that for this one. This one I'm going to be using for donations and to get rid of. And then this basket right here is going to be things that don't belong in this room. I'm just going to put it in here. And as soon as any of these baskets get full, I'm going to take care of them. So if this one gets really full, I'm going to go to each room and put the items away where they belong, and not even just throwing them in the rooms, but I'm actually going to put them away in their rooms correctly. And then for my donation, I have a trash bag already at the front door that I have been adding to the last few weeks that I don't want this, I'm just going to throw it away or donate it. So I've been doing that. I'm going to grabbing the trash can and just bringing it in here. I think that's just a lot easier to just throw it away right away. So let's go ahead and get started. So as I am deep cleaning, I am going to be moving my furniture and my rugs and stuff like that, just so that I could get underneath there. It has been months since I have done that. I had a lot of dog hair and a lot of dirt and leaves. So I was really happy and satisfying that I had cleaned underneath there. Logan's going to be helping me mop as I am going to be cleaning the baseboards all around the room and somewhat spot cleaning the walls. I'm not going to be doing too much on the walls. I had done them a while back, and our kids are a little bit older, so they don't really touch the walls as much as they did as their kids. So one of the things that I was talking to Logan about while we were cleaning this room is how to rearrange it. We weren't able to really figure out a good way to rearrange this room, so I moved the table and the coffee table a little bit, but that's about it.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other.
Right here, me and Logan are going to be talking about our coffee table and the end table. I want something smaller. I think my coffee table is really too big for this little area. Logan thinks that the end table will look too funny being here, so we decided to go ahead and keep it the way it was. I know in this room, I really don't have too much stuff that I am getting rid of. Eventually, I would like to maybe get rid of this coffee table and then the brown TV stand that is holding my plants and our record player. I feel like those items don't really get used a lot. Our coffee table pretty much holds our feet while we're sitting and gaming out with the Switch. And the brown table, our TV stand, we tend to just collect things there. It's like a hot spot, and I kind of want to eliminate hot spots in my house, so I might want to get rid of that. But my husband doesn't want to get rid of those two pieces, and I understand why he doesn't want to get rid of them. Those were one of our first pieces that we had bought when we got married. So they hold a sentimental value. I'm hoping when we move into a new home, eventually that they'll fit better in that type of home. Make sure you guys look behind this TV stand. We had so much dog hair and trash behind here. I even found a sock and some pennies and hair ties. Before we had cleaned this area of this room, I want to let you guys know I had a little breakdown. I was crying. Logan was like, "Mom, it's okay." because I've been so overwhelmed with items in my home that it gives me anxiety because I have to clean them, and it's just, I don't know what it is. But I had an anxiety attack, and Logan was able to help me. And then eventually we moved a few things, and I took down this plant hook thing that I have right here. And Logan was like, Mom, sometimes you just need tiny changes of a room. So if you're like me who has anxiety over your home, I get anxiety attacks when my house is dirty, and I get overwhelmed if someone comes over and I'm like, my house is so dirty. Even though I'll be just getting done cleaning it, I will still think that it's dirty and it's not kept up the way it should be and everything. Like, I have to remind myself that we are human, and this house and this home we have is lived in, and it's okay to have a messy house once in a while. So I've been really working on that. That's one of the things I had took a break from doing the YouTube videos and stuff like that. I don't know about you guys, but I have these anxiety attacks. I even yell at my kids, like, oh my goodness, my kids think I'm a clean freak. My twin sister even tells me this, and all she says is, you only clean, clean, clean. And they're pretty much right. I do like to clean a lot, but I feel like maybe I'm OCD about this. Oh, I'm just rambling on. What do you guys think? Do you think I'm OCD, or am I the only one that thinks like this? Now that the weather is getting warmer, I'm going to try to paint this trim and put it up. My husband is at school right now, so he's not able to help me, but I'm hoping to get it done before he gets home, and having the she shed completely done. Only thing we still have to do on the she shed pretty much is some trimming work, and we are still working on a ladder to get up there. We might have to build it, but I'm not that talented, so I've been looking for like a vintage style ladder that I could maybe convert to help get up in there, up on the loft area. And then I still got to carpet it, the loft area. But I'm excited. I've been using it to do my Bible studies and to get away from the kids when they overwhelm me.
May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest point makes a world of difference, so you make me strong. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Order in a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul.
This is my last shelf that I am going to be cleaning, and I will show you guys the after pictures.
You're the first thing in the morning and the last. Baby, you're my future and you are my past. pretty little thing. You're a diamond in the rough, shining from within. I can tell that you're tough. Order in a cup of love, feel it rising up and above. You will always keep my heart and soul strong. Plant your seeds and watch them grow. The light will always know where to go. You will always keep my heart and soul strong.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you guys got some type of motivation or inspiration. If you guys did, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below. I'm going to be decluttering and spring cleaning my kitchen next. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.